Let's look at how to customize text, as it will be a popular element on our website. Click on the preview of our heading, currently titled Earth, and notice that will open our Edit Heading options. Within these options, we see that we have 3 tabs: Content, Style, and Advanced. Under the Content tab, we can change our title from Earth to WordPress. We can also do that directly by clicking and editing the preview. Underneath Title is where we could add a link if we want to, and we have the option to change the HTML tag here as well. Now under the Style tab, we have many more options to control the visual look of our heading. We can align it left, right, justified, back to center. If you open the edit menu for typography, you're going to find many of your typical font settings. We can change the font size here. We can change the font weight, say semi-bold. Right now, this heading has been transformed to uppercase. We could change the style between normal, italic, oblique. I'll keep it normal. And then we also have text decoration. We're going to look at line height, letter spacing, and word spacing more closely in a minute. But if we close this typography section, you can access some less often used settings like text stroke, text shadow, and blend mode from within the Style tab. And finally, one that you might use quite often, text color. If you click on the color picker here, it will give you access to the hex code color. So you can pick any color that you want and preview the change in real time. Or if you close this and click on the globe, then you'll have access to all the colors that are part of this theme. This feature is helpful in keeping your elements looking as though they belong with everything else on your website. So we could change this back to theme alternate brand. Under hover, you can change the behavior of this color as if the heading were a link. If we scroll down to this text editor element under the About Us heading, and we return to the Style tab, let's revisit the typography settings to look at some of our spacing options. If I scroll down, here you can see how line height, letter spacing, and word spacing affect the look of the text. If we click this circular arrow icon here, the text editor styling will return to the defaults.